Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to censor on Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Here you can see the message option for censor your message. Now I'm going to show you how to censor messages on Discord. Here it is. So this is how to censor on Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.